Today's yoga session is all about hamstrings. Join me by the pool. We're moving into half monkey God pose to begin. Stepping your right leg forward into a lunge position. Lie your chest over your thigh. Drop your chin and then slowly start to rock your seat back, straightening your leg just until you feel enough of a stretch. If you're not feeling quite enough stretch here, slide the back leg a little further back, splitting the legs a little more. Settle in as we unfold your entire posterior chain in this posture. Breathing deeply, especially breathing into your back body. Send your breath all the way to your spine, out your side ribs, between your shoulder blades. Begin to shift away from this position and then lifting into just a high lunge here briefly and then exiting from the posture. Stepping the opposite leg forward. As you're getting yourself settled, remember you can always tuck a little extra cushion underneath your knee for padding. Again, dropping your chin, shifting your weight backward. The tension should feel mild, only about a 7 out of 10, and it's always best to err on the side of going a little gentler and ease in a little deeper as the hold progresses. Opening up the entire back body in this half monkey God position can really help to unlock some tension within your body. As you begin to exit the posture, lift your chest up, just opening the front of the body briefly here. Maybe look towards the ceiling, the sky. And then making your way onto your seat and taking a lie down on your back. You should have a towel or a yoga strap for this portion of the class. Looping the strap over your right foot, letting your left leg be bent, gently draw your foot back towards your face, trying to keep just a very slight bend in the knee. If it's overly bent, it means you're stretching a little too deeply and back off. Holding here. You might want to ease off on the stretch just a little bit here as we straighten out our left leg. This should intensify the stretch just a little bit for you. Readjust into your new position, and if it feels right, then draw a little further back towards your face, aiming to keep both legs straight. Start to draw the leg across your body here. So like you're bringing your big toe to line up with your left shoulder. You don't need to go far here in order to just draw the stretch along the outside edge of the thigh. Perfect. Releasing from the stretch here. Just taking your time. And then you're going to loop your strap onto the opposite foot. So your left leg is going to be extended using the strap or the towel, letting your right knee rest in a bent position to start. It's time now to straighten out your right leg. You might need to ease off the stretch with the straightened leg just a little bit here, as both legs are aiming to remain straight. Breathe and hold. And now gently drawing the foot just a little bit across your body, aiming to keep your bum cheek pretty close to your mat. We're not looking for you to come into a twist here. If your cheek is all the way off your mat, you're going too far. Come back, work with a more straight up leg. Perfect. Releasing from the stretch, unstrapping the foot, and slowly making your way up to seated. As we come into our last posture in today's quick 10-minute YIN class, feel free to slide a cushion or a bolster, a towel, an extra rolled up mat underneath your knees here, just for a little extra comfort. You could also roll up the back of your mat or tuck a small cushion underneath your bum. Drop your chin and let yourself fold in a relaxed manner forward here. Maybe moving your neck a little bit, just releasing any tension that might be there. Close your eyes here. allowing yourself to slow down as we hold this last posture, almost like a short savasana in today's 10-minute practice. Please do stay here as long as you like. Thanks so much for practicing with me today in our 10-minute Yin Yoga. Namaste. I'm Tovah, and I'll see you on the mat.